What if I told you that AI can make you up to $10,000 per week on autopilot? No skills, no experience, just copy and paste, my exact step-by-step method. And no, it's not ChatGPT. A new AI called Deepseek has just launched, and it's completely free, while people are still paying for ChatGPT Plus. Stay until the end because I'll show you the exact prompts you need to start making money today and a secret passive income hack that most people miss. Like and subscribe now for more AI money-making hacks. The biggest mistake most beginners make? Picking a niche that's too competitive. Deepseek does the research for you. Just open Deepseek and write this prompt. Analyze trending markets and suggest profitable digital product ideas with low competition. Now Deepseek finds the best niches with insane demand. Trending niches right now like AI-powered passive income strategies, crypto and stock market guides, self-improvement books that people actually pay money for. Etsy and e-commerce hacks, pick one and let's move on. Smash that like button if you want more hidden AI hacks like this. Now, type this exact prompt into Deepseek. Create a full outline for a best-selling ebook, write your chosen niche. I will choose mental health and wellness for this example, so I will write, create a full outline for a best-selling ebook for mental health and wellness. Deepseek will instantly start generating the entire structure for your iBook. Next, use this prompt. Write a high-quality ebook based on the outline above, formatted for Kindle. Congratulations! Just like that, you have a complete and professional ebook in minutes. Create a unique ebook cover with a professional look. Your book is worthless if no one clicks on it. I will choose Ideogram AI for making my ebook cover for this example. It's free. Go to Ideogram AI and write this prompt. Create a premium ebook cover for a mental health and wellness guide, minimalist style, bold typography, and sleek design. It generates 4 high-quality covers. Just pick the best one. Now, let's turn this into a passive income machine. Smash that subscribe button if you want to see more AI business ideas. Let's talk money. Here's how to get paid. There is 2 ways you can do this. First, make your own online store. Use Hostinger's AI website builder to set up a store in minutes. 100% of profit goes to you. No transaction fees equals more money. Second, sell on high-traffic platforms. Publish on Amazon Kindle, Kobo, or Google Books, reaching millions of buyers. These platforms take 30%, but your book sells passively forever, and you can do both for max profit. My secret hack to scale your income to $10,000 per week. The secret to big money? Don't stop at one book. Create 3 to 5 books in the same niche. Bundle them as a premium offer, $19 to $49 per sale. Use AI-generated TikTok and YouTube Shorts to drive traffic for free. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss my latest AI money-making methods.